One of the biggest struggles that I see people have in trying to implement Feng Shui into their space is the question of how to actually decorate with Feng Shui and do it the right way. So today we are going to jump into a brand new series, Decorating with the Feng Shui Elements, and we are going to start with the originator of the 5 elements, wood. What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to Krystal TV, where today we are starting a brand new design series about decorating with the Feng Shui elements. And we are going to be starting with the very first element in the series, the element of wood. Wood is the beginning of new life, and it is the originator of the 5 elements in the cycle. Wood relates to natural growth and vibrant health. We generally decorate with plants, rectangles, and the color of green and brown. For example, plants. Plants are going to be live wood energy and is the best element to use when you're decorating with wood. It is the wood element. A lot of people mistakenly believe that wood furniture would be a correct usage of the wood element when decorating in your space, but wood furniture is dead wood, and so it carries with it the dead weight of dead energy. And so we don't in fact use wood furniture as an option for decorating with the wood element. Plants, yes. Furniture, no. Books are also wood energy. They too are dead wood energy, and they carry with it that heaviness. It's one of the reasons that you shouldn't have too many books. Too many is relative. And for all of you book lovers out there, I hear you groaning. But it is dead wood energy, so you do want to be aware of the heaviness of the energy in your space when you think about how many books you are keeping in your area. You can also have art. Now, this particular picture would work well as a wood remedy, not because of the frame, but if you notice, the image itself is an image of plants, which makes it a wood remedy. It is also rectangular in shape, which relates to wood energy, and you can use paint colors. The colors of wood are green and brown, and in fact, where I'm filming this video from, on location in my hotel room, is a very heavily wood energy decorated room. And the element of wood is a heavy energy in and of itself. So when you're decorating with the wood element, you do want to be aware of how much you are using. Too much of a good thing is not always a good thing. For example, the room that I'm in here, as I said, is a very heavy wood energy room. And all of these heavy dark colors and dark wood furnishing pieces make the room depressing, in all honesty. So the heaviness of wood can cause depression if you go overboard. So it's just something to be aware of. There are lots of options to be able to bring the wood element into your space. My personal favorite, and the one I always recommend first, are live plants. Bringing life into the room will always liven up the energy of the space. Let me know in the comments below what else you want to know about the wood element when decorating with Feng Shui. While you're down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a single video. Keep an eye out for the next one in the series, Fire! And I will see you in the next video. Bye!